Namaste everyone. Let's begin our discussion with Patent Examination Question Paper 1 2018. First question is the central government may, if satisfied that it is necessary that a patent should be acquired from the patentee for a public purpose with the provision of the Patent Act, then a notification is published in answer is C Official Gazette. Kindly see section 102 clause 1 acquisition of invention and patents by central government. Question number 2. Choose the correct option. Every application for a patent shall be published under section 11A of the Act except in cases where the application so exception is in secrecy direction case, where it has been abandoned or where it has been withdrawn. So answer is D, all of the above. Question number 3. In case of request for permission of making patent application outside India, as per section 39 of the Act, the time frame to depose such request by controller is answer is C, within 21 days from the request. Kindly see Rule 71 Clause 2 and the request is made in Form 25. Question number 4. A patent awarded by the Patent Office of India is valid in answer is C, Indian territory. Question number 5. One PCT application with US priority is filed on 19/9/2009 and for the filing national phase application in India, the applicants needs to file within answer is A 19/4/2012. So the time period is 31 months which is given in Rule 20. That is 2 years 7 months. Just add 2 years 7 months to the date 19/9/2009. The answer will be 19/4/2012. Question number 6. A patent application may file a patent infringement suit within the provision of the Act only after grant of the patent application. Answer is B. Kindly see section 105 clause 4. After the publication of the grant of a patent application, infringement suit may be filed. Question number 7. As per the Patent Act 1970, the first compulsory license granted in India to answer is A. Netco Pharma on 9th March 2012. Kindly search on Google for more details. The first compulsory license granted by the Indian Patent Office on March 9, 2012 to Netco Pharma for the generic production of Bayer Corporation patented anti-cancer drug called Nexavar. All the three conditions has been fulfilled. Reasonable requirement of the public is not fulfilled because Bayer produce only 2% of the patented patient population. It is not affordable to the public because Bayer price of the medicine for a month is around 2.8 lakhs rupees. Bayer did not sufficiently work the patented invention in India. So patent is granted. Question number 8. Method of committing theft is not patentable in accordance to one of the section of the Patent Act 1970. Find out the relevant section from the following. Answer is B. Section 3B of the Act. Section 3 is very important and 3B says an invention the primary or intended use or commercial exploitation of which could be contrary to public order or morality or which causes serious prejudice to human, animals or plants life or health or to the environment. Question number 9. As per the Patent Act, the term of patent of edition filed on 13/4/2012, granted on 15/1/2015. With regard to complete specification of an ordinary patent application filed on 15/7/2008, granted on 17/9/2011, is up to considering that neither one is revoked prior to the term of validity. Kindly go through section 55 for term of patent of edition. Term of patent of edition is equal to the term of the main patent. And then come to section 53, term of patent. Term of patent is 20 years from the date of filing of the application. So kindly add 20 years to to the date 15/7/2008, the date in which complete specification of an ordinary patent application was filed. So the answer will be B. Question number 10. An appeal shall not lie to the appellate board as per the Patent Act for the following option. Answer is B. An application is deemed to be abandoned under Section 21 of the Act. Kindly see Section 117A Clause 2 for all the sections which are appealable before the appellate board. Question number 11. The period for which an application for patent shall not ordinarily be open to public in Patent Office Journal from the date of filing or date of priority of the application, whichever is earlier as per the provision of the Act. Assume that there is no request for early publication. Answer is A. 18 months. Kindly see Rule 24. After 18 months, it will open to the public. Question number 12. An Indian applicant has filed an ordinary patent application before the Patent Office by filing provisional specification 12/5/2011, assuming no post dating of the application. Find out the correct option from the following. Answer is B. The applicant filed complete specification on 12/5/2012 because within 12 months a complete specification has to be filed. Question number 13. As per the Patent Act, the qualification required for a registered patent agent to work as a technical member of the appellate board is, answer is B, degree in engineering or technology or a master degree in science with at least 10 years function. And the second qualification is that he should hold the post of controller for a minimum of 5 years. Kindly see section 116, that is appellate board. Question number 14. As per the Patent Act, register of patents shall contain, answer is D, all of the above. Name and address of the guarantees of the patent, revocation of patents, notification of assignment and of transmission of patents. Question number 15. Any person interested may make an application to the controller for granting compulsory license on patent as per the Patent Act in the following grounds. Answer is A. That the patented invention is not available to the public at a reasonable affordable price. Kindly see section 84, that is compulsory license. Question number 16. A researcher finds an idea on recycling of biodegradable plastic. How does he proceed for patenting his idea? Answer is B. He needs to submit provisional specification and subsequently to file complete specification within 12 months before the patent office. Question number 17. The invention as per Patent Act 1970 incorporates, answer is D, all of the above. Capable of industrial application, an inventive step must be there. A new product or process is the outcome. Kindly see section 2, clause 1, subclause J. Question number 18. Identify from the following patented products for which compulsory license are available for export, which is entitled for manufacture and export to any country having insufficient no manufacturing capacity to address public health problem as per the Patent Act. Answer is B, pharmaceutical product. Kindly see section 92A. Question number 19. When a patent completes its full term of 20 years with the provision of the Patent Act, it, answer is D, shall not be renewed. Question number 20. A ceased patent due to non-payment of renewal fee may be restored by filing an application for restoration within prescribed fee as per the Patent Act. Answer is B, within 18 months from the date on which patent ceased to have effect. Kindly see Rule 80. 12 months plus of 6 month extension is equal to 18 months. Question number 21. The submission of proof of right to make an application for a patent made by virtue of an assignment as per the Act shall be within a prescribed period of, answer is C, with the application or 6 months from the date of application. Kindly see Rule 90 and 91 and the proof of right may be given in form 16. Question number 22. Find out the following, which is not the ground for opposition under section 25 clause 1 of the Patent Act 1970. Answer will be A. That the request for examination pursuant to the filing of complete specification has not been filed by the applicant himself. Question number 23. International application as per Patent Act 1970 means? Answer is C. An application for patent made in accordance with the Patent Cooperation Treaty. Kindly see the definition section, that is section 2(1)(ia). Question number 24. Discovery of a new galaxy is not patentable. Answer is A. As per section 3C of the Patent Act 1970. Question number 25. Definition of capable of industrial application in relation to an invention as per the Patent Act means? Answer is A. That the invention is capable of being made or used in an industry. Kindly see section 2 subclause 1 AC. Question 26. An appeal may be filed against the decision of the controller as per the Patent Act before Appellate Board, IPAB. Answer is B. Question number 27. 3 applicants filed for a patent in India and patent is granted to them, and now there is a doubt among them regarding their patent rights. As a patent agent, what will be your clarification to your clients? Note, they are not bound by any contract. Answer is A. All are having equal undivided share in patents. Kindly see section 15, Rights of Co-owners of Patents. Question 28. A patent shall be deemed to be revoked in public interest by the central government. Answer is C. After hearing the patentee and make a declaration to that effect in the official gazette. Kindly see section 66. Next question is 29. If an article is sold by a manufacturer with engraved with the word patent falsely, then he shall be punishable for such venture within the provision of the Patent Act by, answer is B, fine, which may extend to rupees 1 lakh. Kindly see section 120, unauthorized claim of patent rights. Next question is 30. An applicant has filed an international application on 5/7/2012 based on a provisional application in India on 8/8/2011 and again filed national phase application in India on 10/9/2013, and if the said national phase application is granting on 24/6/2016, then the term of the said patent application shall be up to, considering the patent is not revoked prior to the term of validity. Answer is 5/7/2032. Kindly see section 53 for terms of patent. Term of patent is 20 years from the date of filing of application. So kindly add 20 years to 5/7/2012. Answer will be A. Part B is true and false. Question 31. Amendment of an application for a patent or a complete specification or any document relating thereto at any time, either before or after grant of patent as per the provision of the Patent Act 1970. 1. Shall be made by way of disclaimer, correction or explanation and incorporation of actual fact. Statement 2. Shall be allowed though it describe manner not in substance or shown in the specification before the amendment. So statement 1 is correct. So answer will be A. Statement 1 is true but 2 is false. Question number 32. Statement 1 is wrong and statement 2 is correct. So answer is B. Question number 33. Statement 1 is correct but second statement is wrong. So answer will be A. Kindly see rule 130. Application for review. And the form is form 24. Question 34. Statement 1 is wrong and 2 is correct. Answer will be B. Question number 30. Question number 35. Statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct. So answer will be D. Question number 36. Statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct. So answer will be D. Kindly see section 77. Question number 37. Statement 1 and statement 2 both are correct. So answer will be D. Kindly see section 11B. Question number 38. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is wrong. Answer is A. Question number 39. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is wrong. Kindly see section 63. Surrender of patent. Question number 14. Statement 1 is wrong and statement 2 is right. So answer is B. Part C. More than one option is correct. Question number 41. Answer is A, C and D. WIPO is actually an organization, World Intellectual Property Organization. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland, and it was founded in 14 July 1967. Question 42. Answer is C and D. Kindly see section 123. Practice by non-registered patent agent. Question number 43. Answer is A, B and C. India joined both PCT and Paris Convention on 7th of December 1998. Question number 44. Answer is A, B and C are correct. Kindly see section 16. Question 45. Answer is A, B and C are correct. Kindly see section 6. Person entitled to apply for patent. Question 46. Answer is A, C, D. Kindly see section 117A for section which are applicable before the appellate board. Question 47. Answer is B, C, D. Section 3 is very important. Go through all the provision of section 3. Section 3, what are not invention. Question 48. Answer is A, C, D. Kindly see section 64, revocation of patent. Question 49. Answer is A, B, C. Kindly see section 48, right of patentees. Question 50. Answer is B and D. Kindly see section 61, in which only two grounds are available for opposing the request of restoration of a lapsed patent. That is, first, failure to pay the renewal fee is intentional, and second is there is undue delay in making the application. Kindly go through my Instagram page IPNIS, where you will find many interesting posts related to patent. Thank you everyone for watching my video.